Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. On July 16, 2025, the All-Share Price Index, ASPI, closed at 18,884.96, down by 61.31 points, or 0.32%, reflecting a modest decline in overall market sentiment. Similarly, the S&P SL 20 index ended the day at 5,668.12, decreasing by 32.42 points, or 0.57%, indicating weaker performance among the blue-chip stocks. Moving on to key market highlights for the day. The total market capitalization stood at 6,676.12 billion rupees, reflecting the overall value of listed companies. The total market turnover for the day was 17.01 billion rupees, indicating active trading across the board. Total crossings amounted to 11.90 billion rupees, with the highest crossing recorded in Hatton National Bank plc, non-voting, shares. Domestic investors dominated total market purchases today, accounting for 16,703.05 million rupees, which represents about 98% of total buying activity. Foreign purchases stood at 310.33 million rupees, contributing the remaining 2%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded sales of 16,766.69 million rupees, making up a significant 99% of total market sales. Foreign sales were relatively subdued at 246.69 million rupees, representing just 1%. Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. Leading the list is SMB Finance plc, non-voting, which saw strong price appreciation on active investor interest. In second place, Mylan Developments recorded notable gains, reflecting positive sentiment in the real estate sector. Millennium Housing Developers followed, supported by renewed buying momentum. Finally, EML Consultants and Convenience Foods Lanka rounded off the top performers, both benefiting from solid demand. Now let's look at the top losers of the day. Leading the list is Sujuria Village Hotels, which saw a notable price decline. Sathosa Motors followed, reflecting weaker investor sentiment. Next, Alliance Finance Company recorded losses, adding further pressure to the market. Cargo Boat Development Company also closed lower today. Finally, Wascadua Beach Resort rounded off the list of top losers. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. Sampath Bank led the charge, buoyed by robust investor confidence in the banking industry. Cooperative Insurance Company also made a substantial impact, signaling strong trust in the insurance sector. Sankadagala Finance Company followed suit with significant gains, supported by active trading. Asian Hotels and Properties added to the index's stability, reflecting increased buying activity in consumer services. Additionally, Citizens Development Business Finance contributed positively to today's index performance. Finally, let's review the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. John Keells Holdings led the declines, reflecting investor caution in the capital goods sector. Haley's also exerted downward pressure on the index, while Central Finance Company added to the weakness with notable losses. Melstacorp and Royal Ceramics Lanka both closed in the red, further weighing on overall market performance. Collectively, these declines contributed to the softer close observed in the broader market today. Thank you.